Hello, myself architect Jiyan Pattarwala. I am from Surat. I practice as a sustainability consultant. The reason why I attended BEEP camp was to connect with the like-minded individuals, strengthen my knowledge about energy efficiency in built environment, and have a dialogue with the industry stalwarts who are practicing this since decades now. And my experience during this entire camp was that it's necessary to design in an integrated manner. And if you're not communicating with the stakeholders of the design, then you might not be able to design something which is sustainable and energy efficient. The best part about me for the camp was the interpersonal sessions which was conducted by Ram and Zia sir, and it taught me about how you need to deliver something effectively and it should be fluent. Thank you.